Hi, it's Kylie from DIY Decorator, and today I'm going to attempt to hang these oars on my wall. These beautiful oars are from Oars Galore down at Currumbin in the Gold Coast. They're all hand painted and they're absolutely stunning, and I think it's going to really give a coastal feel to this room. Now, I've looked up how to hang oars. A lot of the instructions tell you to drill holes in the oars and put screws in the wall, and I really don't want to do that. I want to be able to put the oars on the wall but be able to take them down and place them in the corner when I need to. So I'm going to attempt to hang the oars with these command strips. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is find the centre of my wall. I know the air conditioner is centred in the wall, so if I just find the centre of the air conditioner and mark it. Now lay your oar out and flip it to what you're going to make the back side. Measure it. Mine is 1.68 metres long, so I found the midpoint and just marked it with a sticky note so that I know that's the centre of the oar and it needs to line up with the centre line on the wall. Okay, so here's the centre of my oar, and when I hang it on the wall, I need to, I can't put a command strip here because it's shaped differently. I need to have it all on the main part of the oar. So I'm going to place one strip right here where the oar starts to change shape, and one strip up here before it narrows at the handle. So in exploring different ways to hang these oars on the wall, I did try command strips where you have a Velcro adhesive on this side and on this side. The problem I found was that even if you push it and the Velcro clicks, because the oar wants to roll down onto that edge, the Velcro just falls off. So I don't recommend using command strips to hang your oars on the wall. Okay, so the command hooks didn't work. The next thing I'm going to try is just putting a nail in the wall and these tiny little Sawtooth hangers on the back of the oar. They're nice and narrow so that you're not going to see any of this hardware once the oars are on the wall. And because it has 3 little Sawtooths, if I get my oars on the wall and they're just not quite lining up right, you have a little bit of flexibility just to move them ever so slightly across and make an adjustment. So all I have to do is attach these where I was going to attach the command strips and just nail them in either side, and then I'll put the nails in the wall. Okay, so this is the back side of the paddle, and I'm going to hang it with the paddle facing that way. So this hook needs to be in the centre of the paddle so it hangs like that. Okay, I've lined up my 2 Sawtooths. Now I've got a blanket underneath just to protect the oar, and I'm just going to tap these small nails in. Okay, so I've got my oar. The orange sticker is the centre line of the wall, and the green stickers are the centre line of the Sawtooth hook on the back. So, just making sure that I've got the oar straight. I'm just going to transfer these green stickers. Over. Okay, ready to hang. Let's hope it works. Okay, so lining up my centre line. Let's double check. Absolutely spot on. Ta-da! I think they look fabulous. I'm really happy with the spacing and the centering. It was a little bit of work because of course the command strips didn't work first, but I'm really happy with the hooks, and the hooks are so small on the back, the little Sawtooth hooks, that if I want to take them off the wall and put them in the corner or use them in another display, you're really not going to notice it. And I've only got this 4 small nail holes in the wall. So that is how I hung my boat oars. If you want some boat oars, check out Oars Galore. I'll link to it in the notes and on the blog. Thanks for watching. Until next time.